What's up, guys? It's Money Sensation, and welcome back to my channel. So, first of all, we have 274 subscribers. Like, what? Like, that is crazy. That's so crazy. All from that one video. Like, oh my lord. But anyway, another thing, I've been trying to upload videos for forever, but something is not working, and it's low-key making me really mad. I don't know what the problem. Ow. I don't know what the problem is, but it's irritating to the max. To the max. But anyway, thank you guys for all the nice comments and stuff on my what's it called? On my unboxing my iPhone video. Yeah, what can I say? Thank you guys. Like, that was crazy. So yeah. But anyway, welcome to Vlogmas Day. I'm about to. So today I have a track meet, and it's in Alabama. It's an indoor track meet. So we have to leave the house at 6:30 in the morning. Right now it's 5:30 in the morning. So yeah, I start running. My first event is at 8:30. So yeah, I'm gonna go get ready. I'll catch you guys later.
Hey guys.
Okay, so I've been asleep the whole time. We've been driving for about, we're almost there, I think. It's been 2.5 hours.
No, it's been 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours?
Because we went an hour back. Time does not count for when time changes. Okay. We left at 6:30.
Anyway,
At 7:30.
I think I missed my race. But
Was it the 60?
yeah, we're still driving. So once we get there, we're probably gonna be in a rush. My mom's probably gonna be rushing me, so I probably can't vlog too much when we first get there. But yeah. Move.
That's laying on.
Okay guys, so I just got done jumping. So first I did the 60, as you guys saw.
Get this.
So first I did the 60 as you guys saw, and not the best of races, but then I did a long jump. So yeah, and now we're on our way to get something to eat. I have to jump at 2. I do triple jump, and then at 6 I do 200, and it's 12:26 right now, so that's crazy. Why are you doing that? That's not good.
They don't need to know.
Is she okay?
I know.
Anyway, so I'm almost at 300 subscribers, so that's crazy.
Giveaway coming soon.
So yeah, you guys are probably wondering, why aren't you posting another video? Like, hello.
You got the phone, you
But
got storage.
I don't know what's going on. Like, let me tell you guys. I started posting the video. Oh, I thought those people were real. I was like, what are they doing? I started posting a video before I went into school. I went to school 8 freaking hours. Then I worked out. Then after that, it was at 30%. So I don't know what's possibly happening, but something's wrong.
You're good over here. You're good over here.
What's up, guys? They have a pool. But anyway, we've been waiting here.
You have to go, Imani. She's texted you.
We've been waiting here for a while. It's been a while. I already ate Subway and everything. Stop turning it that way. Next.
Maybe if you hold the camera right, things will be in order.
Imani, go.
I got 2. I'll go for the blue.
One for the vlog and one for the call. One for 2 phones, one for the vlog and one for the... That's why it's upside down. Next. What's
going
wrong
on?
with you? Let it go.
Who's holding? What's going on? I don't understand.
She was...
You're done. Stop dropping the phone.
So, yeah. Next. Why does he have that pick in his hand? Watch this.
That's why I landed on you.
Stop. Don't touch my hair.
Yeah, live footage.
I know, she's annoying.
Live footage of this cycle. Anyway. What is wrong with you? You always take
Who
it
says you
one
can
notch
just touch
too
people's
far.
hair? Who? Tell me.
Are you kidding me? They're still on 400s. Like, this is... Da-na-na-na-na-na. Anyway, my video's still uploading. What's new? Comment down below if you guys know what's wrong, because this is crazy.
Hey,
Guys,
Oh, I thought I cracked it more.
you probably do.
By the
like,
way-
as many times as you drop it.
Next.
by the way,
So, yeah.
she's freaking
And my video's still
exposed.
uploading. Comment down below if you know what's wrong, because this is crazy. Okay, bye, guys.
Cut.
Let's go, Imani!
Totally Tanner.
I thought you were gonna
gonna tell me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. They made me record.
So we're in the car now. I just ran, well, we're at Starbucks, as you can see. I just ran the 200 and did my triple jump. Did anybody record any of my triple jumps?
Don't think so. Naila did.
She recorded some of my triple jumps? On what phone?
Mommy's. I think it's mommy.
Okay, well, I'll insert those clips. You guys will see my triple jumps. They weren't that good because I haven't really been practicing triple jump. And my 200, it wasn't that good, honestly, my time. But yeah, so we're on our way home. I haven't studied for my exam today, so when I get home, it's study time. So my video's still uploading, guys. Like, you don't understand. I don't know what's wrong. But we hit 300 subscribers, so that's crazy. That's literally crazy. But anyway,
Why is nothing working? I'm getting
I don't know if this is gonna be in my last video or next video. I don't know, but I'm just gonna say, comment down below questions because I want to do a Q&A while taking out my box braids. So so yeah, we're gonna get something to eat and then head home.
Hello.
So